After you've moved into your property, we will be on hand throughout your stay to assist with any issues in relation to property care and maintenance. However, there are certain issues that can be resolved without needing a call-out. Under your tenancy agreement, tenants have a duty of care to act responsibly as a good tenant, which requires some minimal level of repairs and maintenance. So we've prepared a property guide on the link below, which will help you with some of the most common issues our guests face whilst living in the property. Whenever a property maintenance issue arrives during your stay, for example, a faulty light, a leaking tap or a blocked drain, it needs to be firstly assessed, then agreed before being repaired. When assessing the issue, we will need to collect photos or a video of the issue, which you can submit via our guest help form. You can access this via the QR code on your key tag or by visiting www.RentLondonFlat.com/help. Our property care page then provides you with many answers to most frequently asked questions and problems you may experience around your home. For example, you can find out how to change various types of ceiling spotlights, how to unblock a drain, or how to turn off the water supply during a leak, and much more. Our experienced property managers have prepared this guide in order to help you resolve a wide range of issues, which may save on any unnecessary contractor visits. If an on-site contractor visit is required to resolve any issues, then subject to an agreement, we will assign a contractor who will contact you to arrange property access. So keep an eye out for emails, texts or missed calls. Finally, once repairs are carried out, we will just need confirmation that the work has been successfully carried out and will request photos or videos before we close the issue. Once repair costs are confirmed, we will agree who is liable for payment, which could be at either the owner or the guest costs, and we will inform you accordingly. So have a look around if you need any help with property care, as you may find the answers on the link below.